Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today we are working on a 2010 Kia Soul, and what we're going to be changing is Bank 1 Sensor 1. I said we because we got Rose here today. Say hi, Rose.
Hi.
She's going to be the camera girl. She's going to help me out. We have a code, an engine code of P0133. Oxygen sensor circuit slow respond bank 1 sensor 1. And so we are going to be replacing it, and bank 1 sensor 1 is right in the front. I will show you what you're going to need for this job. You're going to need some anti-seize to put on the oxygen sensor. The one I have has some, but it has a little bit. I want to add a little more to it. You're going to need some type of lubricant to put in the oxygen sensor. Since yesterday I've been putting lubricant. I first put WD-40, and today I put some lubricant that I had there to loosen it up. You're going to need an oxygen sensor, one like this with the hole here. You're also going to need a ratchet. I'm going to be using a 3/8 ratchet with a long extension because you can see that it's pressed out, and we're going to be using this. So let me set up over here. So we'll be right back. I also disconnected the battery. I disconnected the terminal, the negative terminal. So your oxygen sensor is right here in the front. And the first thing you have to do is, you see this here, make sure that your car is cold, that is not hot, because if not, you're going to get burned. So you have the wire here, goes the oxygen sensor. You're going to follow it, and you're going to see that the wire is hold on right here. And all you have to do is just pull this back a little bit, and you take the wire out. Now down there, that's the wire harness. You're going to pull, you're going to push that down and pull and remove the wire. So you just want to press it down, and you remove it. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to take the oxygen sensor and you're going to put it right in here. So I'm going to give the camera to my daughter and let her continue recording. So we're going to take the oxygen sensor. You see how you have this gap here? You're going to put it in here. Don't forget to put some lubricant in it. And you're going to push it. Make sure that it's nice and down. Sometimes this thing could be stubborn. So you just want to make sure you hold it down. And you think it's hard here, Rose. And then you just gotta use some torque. And there it goes. So it got loose. It's a little, and then you just start removing it. And there it goes. This thing's seen better days. Now you're going to take your new one. Go ahead, baby. This is your new one here. Like I say, already has. Oh, it has anti-seize already. You see it? So I'm not even going to add no more because it already has in there. So if yours comes that they don't have, make sure you add a little bit for the next time you're going to remove this. It'll be much easier. So what we're going to do is, you want to make sure you push it straight down. You don't want to cross-thread it, and take your time. And screw it by hand. Once you know that it's nice and straight, that it's not cross-threaded, do it by hand tight. You're going to use your socket once again. The oxygen sensor socket. I'm going to put it in between. Put your ratchet in. And just start. Make sure you do it straight. There it goes. Nice and tight. Then what you want to do is take the wire, put it connected right in here, where you got it out from before. You can see that, baby? Right in here. Right in there. And then you're going to connect it right once you put it in there. See the oxygen sensor, you follow it. Then you're going to take the wire and you're going to connect it inside. Make sure it goes in. You hear it click. Put this in here. And then you look at it. And you have replaced your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor on your 2010 Kia Soul. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it,
you can do it.
Later.